Welcome to a journey into the art of exterior design, where we explore how to transform an everyday outdoor space into a breathtaking, low-maintenance sanctuary. The modern backyard has evolved. It is no longer just a patch of grass that requires endless hours of weekend upkeep. It is a curated extension of the home. Today, we are diving deep into a design philosophy that seamlessly blends contemporary, structured lines with the inviting, organic textures of rustic elegance. This approach creates spaces that are incredibly striking, highly functional, and beautifully easy to care for. The core of any great landscape design lies beneath your feet. Hardscaping establishes the flow and dictates how we move through an environment. Consider the elegance of a sweeping, irregular flagstone pathway, its natural shapes sharply defined by a crisp border of dark paving bricks. This creates an immediate visual contrast, the wildness of natural stone tamed by geometric intention. Sweeping curves invite exploration, while distinct zoning separates lounging areas from transitional spaces. By carefully selecting materials like natural slate, poured concrete, or rich, warm woods, we build a solid, structured foundation that feels both modern and deeply grounded. A key element of modern exterior architecture is the shift away from expansive, thirsty lawns. Drawing inspiration from xeriscaping and Zen garden principles, we can utilize thick layers of decorative gravel, crushed granite, or river pebbles. These materials provide a stunning, clean aesthetic that requires virtually zero maintenance while allowing the textures of the stone to take center stage. When we introduce softscaping, the focus shifts to intentional island garden beds. By utilizing dark mulch to contrast with light-colored ground covers, we can highlight structural plants like tall, slender evergreens, low-growing blue-green junipers, and delicate silver-leafed foliage. This method ensures lush greenery and striking focal points without the overwhelming burden of constant pruning and watering. To prevent a highly structured contemporary space from feeling cold or sterile, we must introduce elements of rustic elegance. This is achieved through the integration of organic materials and warm architectural features. Imagine heavy, dark brown timber pergolas that provide shade and a sense of enclosure, perhaps adorned with hanging baskets overflowing with vibrant color. Consider the boundaries of the space as well. A privacy fence doesn't have to be an afterthought. It can be a striking design feature, alternating the horizontal lines of dark wooden slats with the smooth, solid presence of stucco pillars. Adding traditional touches, like a simple wood-slatted bench or a rustic clay urn, perfectly softens the modern layout, making the space deeply inviting. Ultimately, the goal of landscape architecture is to craft a personal retreat that resonates with your lifestyle. By marrying contemporary structure with rustic textures and prioritizing low-maintenance materials, you create an environment that gives back your time. It's about building a space where you can simply step outside, sit back, and enjoy the beauty of your surroundings. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of exterior design. May your own backyard become the peaceful, elegant sanctuary you deserve.